I absolutely love money. The only problem is, I don't have any money. Even the money I used for that little bit there was fake. And Lord knows, I'm not getting a job. But I have been magnet fishing a lot recently, which you would know if people would actually watch my YouTube shorts. So I have a ton of metal scrap now that I can sell for some really good money. 5 cents a pound? Okay, so the scrap metal's not actually worth that much money at all, but there is a secret method that I can use to turn that scrap into money. Lying. Why am I in the closet for this, bro? Okay. Different types of higher grade metal are actually worth significantly more than the scrap steel that we have. So all we gotta do is trick them into believing that my metal is not useless scrap metal, but instead it's nice and valuable metal like gold and silver. So the plan is to put the metal into the crucible, melt it down in the furnace, then pour it into this ingot mold, polish it off, and then my scrap metal will be indistinguishable from silver. So I loaded up my crucible with all my lovely scrap metal and then began to power on the forge. Now it's always good practice to light a piece of paper on fire and then throw that into forge to start it, but if that doesn't work, just go ahead and throw your hand in there. Now all there is to do is sit and let things cook. Things are starting to heat up in there. But the melting process was taking a really long time. So it turns out that these propane forges get to around 2600 degrees and steel melts at around 2900 degrees, so probably should have looked that up beforehand, but it's okay, because I got a plan B, and my plan B is actually better than my plan A. Bullet casings. Now instead of having silver ingots to forge, we have gold, baby, gold, which is well within the melting range that this thing can output. So we should be good this time. What was once bullet casings will now be my fake gold bar. All right, we filled it to the top. Let's throw it in the forge. If you look closely here, you can actually see some smoke coming out, and that's the zinc burning off of our brass. This time it liquefied much faster. Liquid. And before I knew it, it was time to pour it into the mold. And these green flames you're seeing are actually the zinc reacting with the oxygen in the air. Okay, it is in the mold. I should have put more bullets in there. It's not filling up the whole thing. It's okay, it'll be a tiny one. It'll be a tiny little piece. Okay, we've given it time to cool a little bit, so let's... Oh, and there it slides out. Oh, hot, it's hot. Okay, so really hot. That will be our gold bar. We just gotta polish it up now. One side almost done and already looks so golden, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, time for the final reveal. Before I show you this, you have to like and subscribe if you enjoyed so far. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, dude, it looks so golden. I mean, look at that. Like, this is the kind, okay, ignore the big dent in the middle. I could not get that out. But this is the kind of thing that you would see in the old cartoons. I think I could fool somebody with this. If I told somebody this is gold, they would believe me maybe. Now the part that really matters, how much would it be worth? All right, so it was 272 grams, which would be $35,134.54 if it was pure 24 karat gold. So, do we think we could trick somebody into thinking that this is pure 24 karat gold? Yeah. Now all I gotta do is find a sucker dumb enough to fall for the scam. But gold's an appreciating asset, so I think I'll hold on to it until the time is right to strike. Also, if you are a member of the US law enforcement, this was a joke. I can't spend 20 years in federal prison. I have more videos to make.